What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another Sundays with Jesse. I have not done one of these in quite a while, and I figured, hey, let's catch up real quick and let me give you a rundown of what I am thinking about for the upcoming year. So before I get started with that, I just want to say thank you guys for watching the channel. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for checking out all the videos, commenting, following me on social media, all that crazy stuff. I've had an absolutely incredible 2018, and I'm really looking forward to 2019 and hopefully getting in and doing a good bit more cosplay and getting more builds in and printer reviews and gaming stuff, and who all knows what I'll be doing in the next year, but I'm excited to be sharing it with you guys. Occasionally people send me stuff, and I just wanted to share two really awesome things that I was just recently sent in the mail. This right here is a really cool gift that Jerry and Kelly over at Spectre 3D sent me, and that I just want to share with you guys. These two are just absolutely amazing members of the 3D printing community. I'll have links to their social medias, both of their social medias as well. They sent me the most incredible thing. Check this out. This is so freaking cool. All right, now check this out. I went and picked up a frame earlier today, and now I'm just gonna figure out a place that I want to get it hung up. I actually have a space that should be able to fit 2 or 3 additional posters here on the wall. Off to the side here, I'm debating on sticking it there or over in the other section there where I actually sit and watch movies and other things like that. But this is way too cool. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate it. So also received a gift from Ben over at Hawk 3D Proto, and if you guys aren't already following him, I'll have a link down to his YouTube channel down below. An absolutely amazing guy, a huge part of this community here, and sent these crazy cool cosplay companion notebooks. Bill Duran over at Punish Props actually makes and sell these. He went and picked them up and shipped them out to me. So I really appreciate this. I can now start documenting some of the cosplay projects for the upcoming year. All right, so with that in mind, I figure it's time for me to start planning out my next big project for 2019.
You have been chosen to witness the announcement of a momentous event in the history of our planet. The liberation of mutant kind has begun.
That's right, in 2019, I want to officially do a full head-to-toe Magneto cosplay build for New York Comic Con. I have full intentions of, one, getting in much better shape that I can actually look good in a very tight-fitting costume, and the other is try out some new things like sewing and working with fabrics and building props on top of those fabrics to actually make a full head-to-toe cosplay replica of one of Magneto's costumes. So it's probably going to be a bit of a mismatch of different things. I'm going to be looking for different reference photos that I'll find online based on figures and statues and artwork. I am going to be sticking with a more of a classic Jim Lee style Magneto versus some of the more modern takes on him, or even the Ultimate, or even the things like Age of Apocalypse, which I always thought would look super cool. Also means I might end up shaving down this beard here at some point to pull that costume off. Regardless, I'll be documenting the entire build process over the next 6 to 9 months with you guys in preparation for New York Comic Con this coming fall. And hey, I've already got a head start because I've already printed a 3D printed Magneto helmet, which if you haven't already seen that, I'll include a link up above here where you can check out the video where I show off how I do some test prints before actually getting the scale correct for this helmet. I might end up reprinting this, not entirely sure. This one fits pretty good and is gonna have enough room for some padding or maybe some additional things if I wanna add some things in on the inside as well. So again, thank you Jerry and Kelly and Ben for sending those awesome gifts my way here. Really do appreciate it, and totally not necessary whatsoever. I just want to say again, thank you guys for watching the channel, watching the videos, leaving comments, messaging me on social media, hitting me up in direct messages, asking questions about printers or projects that you're working on, sharing builds that you're working on. Love seeing all of that and communicating with you guys as best as I possibly can. And really looking forward to 2019 and this big Magneto project. Hopefully we'll have some time to do some other large builds, but the main focus right now is I'm gonna try and get through and build this full-on Magneto costume. I'm just a huge Magneto junkie, so I can't wait to actually do this. This has been a goal of mine for a very long time. All right, just want to say thanks again for watching, you guys. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Magneto build idea. If you have any suggestions or links you want to share or variations of Magneto, let me know. I'm all ears. I'm sort of in the planning stage right now and probably will be for the next handful of weeks. I just want to say thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye now. Get yourself a coffee. By the way, I got this new awesome coffee mug from my kids and my wife for Christmas. I love it. I love it. I can't get enough of these like character coffee mugs. I'm right now, I'm gonna be on the hunt for a mug man from Cuphead coffee mug.